Yeah, thanks very much for both presentations. I especially enjoyed that review of the cases.
Mu gihe Amerika yitegura gusohorwa kw'amadosiye akomeye yajyanye na Jeffrey Epstein, abadepite b'abademokrate bo muri Congress basuye amafoto mashya 19 harimo n'ayerekana Perezida Donald Trump. Aya mafoto akomeje guteza impaka zikomeye. Ese arasobanura iki? Kandi niki abanyamerika bagomba kuyasomamo? Murakaza neza kuri Urban Point. Aha dukora isesengura ryimbitse ry'amakuru mpuzamahanga nta kubogama dushingiye ku byemejwe n'inzego zibishinzwe. Kora subscribe nonaha mbere yo gukomeza video. Jeffrey Epstein yari umuherwe w'umunyamerika wakurikiranyweho ibyaha bikomeye birimo gufata abana n'abakobwa ku ngufu no kubacuruza. Yaraziranye n'abantu bakomeye mu bya politiki, ubukungu n'imyidagaduro. Mu mwaka wa 2019 Epstein yapfiriye muri gereza ya Manhattan. Urupfu rwe ruvugwa ko rwari ukwiyahura, ariko rukomeje guteza impaka kugeza n'ubu. Abadepite b'abademokrate bo muri House Oversight Committee batangaje ko basohoye amafoto 19 mashya avuye mu mitungo yasizwe na Epstein. Bavuga ko bari gusuzuma amafoto arenga 95,000 agaragaza Epstein n'abantu benshi bafite ububasha ku isi.
But I do also, it is a violation of free exercise, but this is common particularly in blue states where we see aggressive states like Washington try to limit religious freedom, and when we don't take those stands.
Muri ayo mafoto mashya Perezida Donald Trump agaragara ku mafoto atatu. Ifoto imwe imugaragaza amwenyura ari kumwe n'abagore bataramenyekana amasura yabo, akaba yarahishwe. Indi imwerekana ari kumwe na Epstein. Iya gatatu imugaragaza yicaye iruhande rw'umugore, karuvati ye ifunguye. Nta gisobanuro cyaho cyangwa igihe ayo mafoto yafatiwe byigeze bitangazwa. Trump yabwiye abanyamakuru ko Epstein yari umuntu uzwi cyane. Yagize ati,
There were new Epstein photos released today showing you and also Bill Clinton, Steve Bannon. What were your reaction to those new photos that were released today?
Well, I haven't seen it, but I mean, everybody knew this man. He was all over Palm Beach. He has photos with everybody. I mean, almost there are hundreds and hundreds of people that have photos with him. So that's no big deal. I know nothing about.
White House yavuze ko ubutegetsi bwa Trump bwakoze byinshi mu gufasha abahohotewe na Epstein kurusha abo bahanganye mu bya politiki. Minisitiri w'ubutabera wa Amerika yavuze ko nta gihamya hari igaragaza urutonde rw'abakiriya ba Epstein, nta n'ikimenyetso cy'uko hari abandi bantu bakurikiranywe mu byaha bifitanye isano n'urubanza rwe. Aya mafoto mashya agaragaramo n'abandi bantu bazwi barimo Bill Clinton, Bill Gates, Steve Bannon n'abandi. Itegeko rishyiraho ko dosiye zose zijyanye na Epstein zisohoka mu minsi 30 ryashyizweho umukono tariki ya 19 Ukuboza, nibwo igihe ntarengwa kizagera. Bikaba bitegerejwe n'abantu benshi. Niba wishimiye iyi video, kanda like, subscribe kandi unatubwire igitekerezo cyawe muri comment. Murakoze cyane. Twongere tubonane mu yindi video nziza cyane.